In 2020, Marilyn Manson appeared to be entering a new artistic era. We Are Chaos, created with Shooter Jennings, presented a different version of Manson. Older, more reflective, almost vulnerable. The album reached number 8 on the Billboard 200 and received some of the strongest reviews of his later career. But only months later, everything collapsed. In February 2021, Evan Rachel Wood publicly accused Manson, whose real name is Brian Warner, of years of abuse. Other women came forward with their own allegations. Manson denied the accusations, calling them distortions of reality. But the consequences were immediate. His record label dropped him. His booking agency cut ties. His longtime manager reportedly ended their relationship. Television appearances were removed, projects disappeared, and Marilyn Manson effectively vanished from public life. For the first time in decades, the man who had survived protests, censorship, and national outrage appeared to have been completely erased. And unlike the controversies of the 1990s, this was not about lyrics, religion, or an image designed to provoke America. These allegations concerned the man behind the character. During 2021, police searched Manson's home as part of an investigation. Lawsuits followed, while Manson maintained his innocence. In 2022, he filed a lawsuit against Evan Rachel Wood and Ilma Gore, claiming they had organized a campaign against him. Major portions of that case were later dismissed, and Manson eventually withdrew the remaining claims in 2024. Several civil cases reached settlements while others were dismissed or continued through the courts. For almost 3 years, there was little new music and no real public comeback. Then, in 2024, something changed. Manson began appearing online looking noticeably healthier and more focused. He later revealed that he had become sober. In August, he released As Sick as the Secrets Within. It was his first new song since the accusations. And it did not sound like an attempt to recreate his younger self. The song felt confessional. It dealt with addiction, isolation, and the secrets people carry inside themselves. Days later, Manson returned to the stage, touring with Five Finger Death Punch and performing his own headline shows. The reaction was stronger than many expected. Videos showed packed venues, an improved voice, and a performer who appeared more controlled than during some of his final concerts before the collapse. Then came One Assassination Under God. Chapter 1. Released in November 2024 through Nuclear Blast, the album transformed his years of silence into something theatrical and deeply personal. Songs such as No Funeral Without Applause, Not If You Understand, and Sacrilegious explored public destruction, betrayal, survival, and rebirth. This was not simply a comeback album. It sounded like a man documenting his own execution and what remained after the crowd had gone home. In January 2025, Los Angeles prosecutors announced that Manson would not face criminal charges following their years-long investigation. They stated that the domestic violence allegations were outside the statute of limitations and that sexual assault charges could not be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. The decision was not a trial or a verdict on every allegation, but legally, no criminal charges were filed. Manson continued touring throughout 2025, although controversy followed him. Some concerts faced protests, political pressure, and cancellation attempts. Yet, the comeback continued. By 2026, Marilyn Manson was no longer simply returning. He was rebuilding an entire era. One Assassination Under God. Chapter 2 pushed the story forward, with Unalive presenting a figure who had already survived his symbolic death. And that may be the key to understanding Marilyn Manson between 2020 and 2026. This was not a normal album cycle. It was a complete collapse. Accusations, isolation, legal battles, sobriety, and a return that many people believed would never happen. Whether the public sees redemption, reinvention, or something far more complicated depends entirely on who is watching. But one fact is difficult to deny. Marilyn Manson was declared finished, and in 2026 he is still here.